Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to display share counts in Threads app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this you have to open your Threads app. Now go to your profile and select your threads. Now go to three dots. Here you can see the option of unhide, like and share counts. If you want to display your share counts in your threads, you just have to press on this unhide, like and share counts. That's it. So this is how to display share counts in threads. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.